Top benefits of drinking lemon water before bed. Lemon is packed with several nutrients and vitamins such as vitamin C. It can help boost your immune system and speed up recovery from several ailments. It works even better if you drink lemon water before bed because it gives an extra boost of vitamin C that will help you keep healthy against all diseases. People who drink lemon water before bed detoxify their bodies overnight because lemon can help treat common ailments without overdosing. Instead, you will wake up feeling refreshed and take on the rest of the day with strength. 1. Helps you sleep better. Drinking lemon water before bed can help boost the necessary nutrients and minerals in your system. Also, it could add to your balance your body's vitamins. Lemon water can also increase your energy level the next day because it helps repair your muscles and joints and alleviate your hormones. When you continually drink lemon water before bed, it can help you sleep better, thus making you more energetic. 2. It can help burn calories. Lemon water can help you lose a few pounds because water is a natural calorie burner and lemon has dietary fibers. There are 2 ways for you to drink lemon water before bed, cold or hot. I will help you decide later what works best with calorie burning. 3. Boosts your immune system. Lemon is known to have 187% vitamin C of the daily value needed for our diet, which can be beneficial for our overall health. Vitamin C is known for improving your immune system. Drinking lemon water can help you increase the vitamin C levels in your body to fight off bacteria until they are no longer a threat to your body. 4. Hydrates the body throughout the day. Our body needs water to stay hydrated. Drinking lemon water before bed can help replenish and rehydrate the water that you lost throughout the day. Other than that, it will help your muscles work efficiently through proper circulation. Your muscles won't be sore when you wake up. 5. Helps in digestion. Lemon water can help you have regular bowel movements. If you make drinking lemon water a habit, it will improve your overall digestion and lessen your problems with constipation.